Gonna talk to me again.
All right, I'm in the ground mode right now. All right, I'm in low gear. Flip the button. That's second. That's third. Flip the button again. See, I flip the button coming back. Always flip your button. See, when you faster you go up, see, I flip the button up. See, I'm slowing down now. Flip the button back down. See, normally I'll start off in third gear.
You'll take off in third?
Yeah, it'll take off in third.
Empty, you can do that with a load too.
I do it with a load. I very seldom I come back over here. I'll start off in third. Yeah, I'll start off in third. Most of the time, keep me from choking off, I go to low. Sometimes I don't be want to go to all together. Most of the time I go in third.
Clear this way.
Alright, I'm in low gear. See how I flip the button? You got to keep it just RPM up. Let up off the accelerator. Always let up off the accelerator. You don't get it. Back the accelerator coming. Keep the RPM is what it is. That's what makes it work. RPM.
You don't even hit the clutch on time?
I don't never touch the clutch because I'm stopping. You wear yourself out working that clutch.
Yeah, I'll never touch the clutch.
I don't start the clutch until I stop. Look at this trailer. House park. See how I downshift it with the button?
You got to cut through here? Or there?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut right through the door.
That's your old briefcase?
Yep.
Yeah, that for a long time.
No, that's a nut. The hood and hell come off. That hood was in the pickup in red.
You got in now.
Probably. Fifth.
Oh, did he even know we coming?
That's LC.
He out here just blowing it. He don't even know we coming.
LC. Yeah, it is.
You got them headphones on, he didn't even know.
He see me back here. He told me I was coming.
Oh, he ain't gonna be able to fit around that truck. Next time, practice. We're gonna get this next time.
It take you a while to do this, yeah. You got to know about a truck in order to drive a Super 10. I can drive it better than the owner can. See what he talk about? Pushing it in neutral when you're running down the road and flipping the button, then go. No. That had to work too, but you got to be fast at it. See, when I'm driving, I flip my button down before I let up on the accelerator. Huh?
For the air conditioner and everything.
Yeah, that works, air conditioning, heating, so. Yeah, I flip my button before I even let up on the accelerator. Now, I haven't let up on the accelerator having low range. And but most of the time, see, I'm in low gear now. See ya? Watch. See ya? Flip the button up. See? Third. See, I flip the button again. You can flip the button as many times as long as you change the gear. See, I changed it back down in third gear. Third gear change.
Grandma get me.
Yeah. See, now I don't never touch the clutch no more. Only time I'll touch the clutch is when I'm stopping. Yeah, stopping or either I'm coming to the stop sign. I don't never touch the clutch no more.
One thing I want to know, where is the Jake brake?
It is right there.
Oh, okay. I was wondering. Okay.
That's the Jake. I'll leave it on sometime.
What? So that Jake brake just help you slow it down?
That'll stop it.
Okay.
That'll stop it. Now it ain't gonna stop it quick if you're fixing to run into somebody, but yeah, that'll kill it. I don't lock the trailer down now. All I do is use this one.
You know what that is?
Huh?
You know what that is right there?
I don't know that guy. I seen him.
Yeah.
But most of the time, I don't. That to speed the engine up. If you stand still, sometimes you hit that right there. Speed the engine up. That's your lights, windshield wiper. You got the utility stuff over here, and the kill switch. I don't hardly ever listen to the radio.
What was you doing back there?
You ain't gonna heard it. I had somebody throw a log into the back there.
Did it?
Yeah, the back there. That's why the bed fell down. I think it broke it. I broke the window out on the other side at the paper mill.
What is it? Slam on brakes and the log came forward?
No, the log. I don't know. I was backing up at the mill, and the log just come right on up into the truck to the back of it. Like to push to it.
You was in here?
Yeah, I was backing up. The log was coming. Man, nobody didn't do it. The log. I want to think I was backing up and the log come into it. The wood was so long. Man, we all wood. The wood be sticking out way back there. Look at, see that little black driveway behind you? The black driveway. We had wood sticking way back to there. Huh? Yeah? Get you some. Yeah.
Oh, you want some chips?
You want something to drink?
Yeah, you making a mess.
They can't make no mess more than it is. Yeah, I keep stuff eating, in case I don't have to stop.
Yeah. That's what we're gonna do too when we get back. We're gonna make some sandwiches, so we don't have to stop that much.
I don't want to stop. I save time. Man, I don't.
Here we go on the road. Wait, here we go, boys and girls are on the road again.
There's one, there's two girls